Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade lava lamp. You need about 4 ingredients. One's an empty clear water bottle with about 1/4 of the bottle full of water. And you'll need vegetable oil, food coloring, and tablets that make some type of bubbles that will work in your water bottle. So I found a water bottle and I put about 1/4 of a bottle of water left into it, and then you pour your vegetable oil. I kind of do it to the side so it doesn't mix with the water. See how it doesn't mix. And then you put food coloring, a couple drops of food coloring in. I put about 5 drops in. And you can kind of see how they just ball up and sit on top of the water. And then you break your alka seltzer tablets in half, like that. And then you just drop them into the water bottle, and it will start bubbling, and then the food coloring should start mixing in. Let's see if it works. There it goes. And then you can see the green and the bubbles.